Is your BTTV box stuck on the YouView loading screen? This frustrating issue prevents you from accessing live TV, recordings, and on-demand services. The problem typically shows as a spinning circle that never completes, leaving your box unresponsive. This commonly occurs after software updates or during peak usage periods. The first solution to try is a soft reset. Start by unplugging the power cable from your BTTV box. Wait exactly 30 seconds to allow all components to fully power down. After 30 seconds, reconnect the power cable and be patient. Allow 5 to 10 minutes for the box to fully boot up and initialize all services. A stable network connection is crucial for the YouView system to initialize properly. Check that your broadband connection is stable and providing adequate speed. If the soft reset doesn't work, try a network reset. First, disconnect your Ethernet cable or Wi-Fi connection from the box. Next, perform a complete power cycle of the box while the network is disconnected. Then reconnect the network only after the box has fully booted up. These immediate fixes have a success rate of 60 to 70% for resolving BTTV box loading screen issues. Try these solutions in order before moving to more advanced recovery methods. When basic fixes don't resolve your BTTV box loading issues, these advanced recovery methods can help restore functionality. We'll also cover prevention strategies to avoid future problems. The first advanced method is performing a factory reset using your remote control. This process requires a specific button sequence that varies by model. First, hold down the standby button on your BTTV box for at least 10 seconds. You should see the power light change or flash, indicating the box is entering recovery mode. Next, use your remote to press Menu, Help, Play, and Stop buttons simultaneously. This specific sequence activates the recovery menu on most BT YouView boxes. For more technical users, accessing maintenance mode allows you to run disk diagnostics and defragmentation. This can resolve issues caused by corrupted files or fragmented storage. Access maintenance mode through your box's service menu, then run a disk check to identify and repair corrupted files. Follow this with defragmentation to optimize storage performance. The most advanced recovery method involves manually updating firmware via USB. This requires downloading the latest firmware from BT support and using a compatible USB drive. Download the correct firmware file from BT's support website, copy it to a formatted USB drive, then insert the drive into your box's USB port while the device is powered off. Power on while holding the standby button to enter recovery mode. Prevention is always better than recovery. Following these maintenance practices can significantly reduce the likelihood of loading screen issues occurring in the future. Ensure your broadband connection meets the minimum speed requirements. BT recommends at least 10 megabits per second for reliable operation, though faster speeds provide better performance. Perform regular maintenance by power cycling your box weekly, keeping it well ventilated to prevent overheating, and regularly deleting old recordings to free up storage space. Watch for early warning signs that may indicate developing problems. Slower boot times, intermittent freezing during navigation, audio and video sync issues, or frequent network connectivity drops can all signal potential loading screen problems ahead. By following these advanced recovery methods and prevention strategies, you can maintain optimal performance from your BTTV box and minimize the risk of loading screen issues. Regular maintenance and early intervention are key to avoiding more serious problems.